Snowstorm day with the family. Hello. What's your name? What are you doing? You're running me down with the camera. Chill out. Who is this little one right here in the snow? What are you doing? You making snow angel? Make a snow angel for me. Ah, you gotta jump the next way. Turn around. Turn around. Wave your hands like this. Yeah. Go on your back. Ooh, you making a little snow angel? Yeah, guys. Snow coming down like nothing. Got my #1 shoveler there. What are you doing? What are you doing? This guy, we're just cleaning off the cars and the truck right now. Calm before the storm. That's what they say, right? So I got the longest thing. Why you putting snow back onto the car? Huh? So long time I will drop a video, guys. If you're here and you like the video, subscribe, tell your friend and tell your friend. We're here on the snowstorm day, eh? Uh-oh. Why is gonna be in trouble? So why you putting snow in the car? You don't put snow in the car, baby. Don't do that. You wanna play snow fight? Throw a snow after mommy. Throw one after mommy. Get one, throw it after mommy. Make a snowball and throw it after mommy. What?
Big snowball?
You can't make a snowball with your hands. Why do you need a snowball thing? Make a snowball and throw it after that. Come. Eh? He's on holiday. I don't know if he's here. Probably in Australia. Man, it's coming down so hard. It's like a rain pallet. Yeah. But you don't know, guys. Look more touch out Walmart do some snow removal as usual. Can't wait till winter over. We're gonna take it when you get it, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. Snow day, guys. Very snowy day. Snow. If you know where you guys are, let me know. Just let me know in the comment section, guys. Watch out. I will touch out later. Going to the old lady house. We're going down the street, guys, to walk and clean people's driveway. It's a snowstorm right now. Follow me. Make sure you're videoing properly. I see you hold it this way. Hold the camera straight. Yeah. Come this way. Grab your shovel. Grab your shovel. Grab your shovel. Get your shovel. Get your shovel. Get it. Come. Hey, come. Come on, man. Clean her driveway. So I'm nobody to do. You think that's nice, right?
I guess.
Yeah.
It's not like she have a car.
My head is in it. Oh yeah, guys, go clean this one.
My
What's going on here, Amaya?
That's how you be at work, eh? This how you be at work? Speedy service?
I mean, you gotta try to be quick. I'm spending 24 hours out here.
You do.
Uh-oh. In my way, see that? Quickest way to clean the garden. 15.5. Once it's 15.5, you do one side quick, look.
Bruh.
See?
Good stuff.
Thank you for your help.
Right, come. Too close to the road, Bubba.
Start up there.
Look, you do up here, Mike?
Come, start up here, baby. Come, start
Up here, come.
Come, quickest way. Down the middle.
Who teach you that now?
Do the walkway first. Do the walkway.
People you work with do the same thing? The people you work with work the same?
I hope they do. I don't think so.
I feel like you would want to work faster because why are they trying to spend more time outside?
I guess they make more money when they're in store.
Do they though?
I guess.
Well, you guess.
Okay. We use flour also while you're just doing these small pieces. I'm pulling off the flour or something. Hey,
because realistically, all they have to do is the sidewalk and the walkway, no? And they still take long.
I mean, sometimes it's hard, I guess. Every time it's easy. Sometimes they're a bit.
I guess, but like, you got breaks in between houses and things. Yeah, breaks in between houses and stuff.
I guess.
What do you mean, guess? You do.
We do. Okay, I do it next time. What are you doing for?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, I'm almost done.
These are hitting hard. These things are hitting hard. I feel like hell now. Maya, come on this side.
I want to go to the next side.
Go get your shovel.
Go get your shovel. How long is it now?
6.
So we take like 6 minutes to complete this driveway and walking. Easy one for you guys. You don't know. Get your shovel.
You need a good Tim Hortons coffee right now.
It's right here.
Cold, man.
If you guys like this video, remember to like, share, subscribe. My hands are starting to freeze. Don't let it freeze or nothing. Subscribe, guys.